So hello everybody, welcome back. It is the first day back. It is January 6th. So we're going to start with a little review, calculating net force or the sum of all forces. Don't forget to include the movement. So this is your do now. So your do now is here. And let's take a look at where that do now might be. So we're going to take a quick little brief look into that. We're going to do this first. All right, so let's take a look at this. If I have two arrows pointing the opposite direction, what I am going to do is I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to take 7 minus 2, and that's going to give me 5 newtons. And then I want to know direction, left or right. So where is the larger force at? Oh, it's that way. So it's going that way or to the left. So if I have forces that are going both in the same direction, whether there's one on each side or they're both on the same side, I'm going to add them. So 6 plus 3 is 9 newtons. And it's going to go that way to left. So you're going to, in Schoology, you're going to say 5 newtons to the left or 9 newtons to the right. Okay. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is, that's what we're going to do. Now we do have we're going to do a little check in here. So think about these and which one of these best represents you on the first day of school. Yeah, 5. I was a 5. Our next slide is our classroom expectations. In general, be prompt, be prepared, be respectful, and productive. We'll make sure you come in with voices at 2 or lower. If you're late, please make sure it's a silent entry. Please sit in your assigned seat. That's great for not just now, but COVID or accidents or somebody's looking for somebody. There's a sub here. It helps a lot of people. So please always sit in that assigned seat. We want to make sure your cell phones and earbuds are always put away in your backpack. When you come in, you do those do nows. I'm going to show you in a minute where they are. And to remember that individual or independent work must be completed independently, and group work is collaborative, which means you can share ideas and things, but everybody needs to write their own little ideas down because nobody talks the same. And then always use your Chromebook as directed. Now right here you've seen Cham since grade school. Everybody's like, oh yeah, we've got the poster in the room, just kind of how we need to enter, all right? And then we're going on a field trip on Thursday with Miss Drew's class or Fridays with Miss Brown. You can read through these, okay, if you weren't here and you're coming, but those are what we're doing. The next thing we're doing is talk about net force. So super easy. So when all the forces are pushing and pulling in the same direction, you should, that's right, add. When they're pushing or pulling in opposite, you should subtract. And in some cases, like we have down here, what you would do is you would add up these together. 5 and 5 is 10, and then you'd have 5. So, oh, my bigger force is here on the left, so I'm going to subtract. Easy peasy. Slide 17 in your notebook, if you haven't finished this, please make sure you've done this. We did this before break, but just a quick reminder. And this is what we're working on. This is a link in Schoology. So on this first one, A, we have 225 newtons pushing, nothing here. So my net force, 225 plus 0, would go here, 225 N for newtons. We're going to call this an unbalanced force. And so let me get this. Oh, where's my little draw tool? There we go. So we have, this is going to be an unbalanced force because there's one side pushing more than the other. And which way is it pushing? Absolutely. You're going to circle here. On this one, same thing. 75 pushing this way, nothing on the other side. So you're going to write 75 here. So put that there. Okay. It is an unbalanced force, so put a U there, and oh, it's pushing this way, so you're going to circle that. You're just going to do this on the whole sheet, front and back, okay? Now this one's kind of a little different. I have 50 newtons and 50 newtons. That's 100, and then I have 100 here. So I have 100. They're both pushing opposites, so 100 minus 100, that's 0. That force, sorry. And so this is going to be a balanced force. So you're just going to continue on. All right. So hold on a quick second. I'm going to exit my drawing here. All right, so now I'm going to switch tabs so you can see where that is. So again, every day, that do now is always in your materials. It's going to be at the bottom here. Right here, it's the do now for January 5th, 2022. Here's our comeback. Here's the link to the slides. We come down here to our slides, force and motion. And right here, absent students only, net forces practice. I'm going to edit this right in front of you so you can see this. Oops, it's loading. And we're just going to put the date up here so you can see this. 1.5.22. There we go. So you can see that. And we're going to save that. So this is a link to that work for you today, only if you're absent. All right, everybody, have a great day. If you're with Ms. Drew's class, you're having a great field trip tomorrow. You've read through the expectations. If you're with my class, we're going to do some speed calculations tomorrow, and then we're going to go to the field trip on Friday. All right, have a great day.